So Mitch, let me ask you, why did you choose VICORE? What was it that enticed you?
I'll never forget the first day I met you, Bobby. It was when I was an assistant superintendent at another golf course, and you and Travis stopped in. Actually, I first started to hear about it from Travis, and then Brian using it. So I was kind of in the loop as to what it was and the mentality behind it and things of that nature. And then we had a discussion when we initially met, and it sparked some interest in me, and I did some small sample test stuff, kind of having some fun at my last job, and some of the little things I saw from just treating little areas with some of the VICORE stuff was really kind of eye-opening, and I had the confidence when I came here that I thought I could do some good stuff, and I was fortunate that my predecessor here had already kind of worked with you and seen some good things here, treating his greens, and he was starting to turn the corner in some areas, agronomically speaking. And so when I was hired here, I figured, why not? Let's just keep it going and maybe even build on that program. And I had Bob's blessing and support as well. He had already kind of worked with the products, and we said, okay, in year one, we're just going to put our par 3 course on a VICORE only program, bi-weekly sprays, and we saw some pretty amazing results. And we just decided we're going to go with it wall to wall this year on all of our greens, and it's been pretty neat what we're seeing.
So what products were you using when you started?
So last year we were on kind of just more of a traditional foliar program, kind of a concoction of this and that, and some humic acid and other wetting agents and things of that nature. And we always kind of joke because when all was said and done, we had about 8, 9, 10 things in the tank, and it was just kind of like, man, from a time and labor perspective, and just mixing all this different stuff in, how are they all affecting each other? And now we put in 2, 3, 4 things tops in the sprayer, and it saves Bob a lot of time and labor, and we're getting better results with fewer things in the tank, which makes all of us happy.
So Bob, we talked earlier about mixing products. What products are you mixing, and how long does it take you now?
Right now I'm mixing 3 to 4 products, Thatchback, Carbonate, Ground Break, and on occasion we will throw some nitrogen in, but only when we feel is necessary. We've done 1 app with nitrogen in it now, and that's it. I've gone from about 45 minutes a load down to about 15 minutes load, even including melting nitrogen in. When you have play going off all 3 courses at the same time, and you need 3 loads to do the whole course, I'm saving an hour and a half in loading time, which means I'm doing 1 full course ahead of time by a full 2 hours.